Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the AOC monitor input not supported issue. Whenever you face this kind of error, you see the screen like this. So the first fix is check your monitor connection. Check the monitor cable to ensure it is working properly. If possible, switch to a new monitor cable. Make sure the connection ports are also working correctly. And the fix number 2 is go to the display settings on your system, and here you can see the option scale and layout, and here you can see the option scale. It's always better to select the recommended option from the drop down panel. If you are using a Windows 11, it will be always a display resolution. And the fix number 3 is go to the device manager. You can go to the device manager by going to the search option, and here you can click on the device manager. Once you go to the device manager, you can go to the display adapter, and here you can select the monitor, and here you can right click on it and click on update driver. Choose to search automatically for the driver, or you can download it from the manufacturer's website. The fix number 4 is you can go to the display adapter and you can click on the graphic driver, and here you can click on the update driver. Always opt for the automatic updates, or you can download it from the manufacturer's website. And the last fix is you can go to the aoc.com/us/support team. Here you can raise your request. The backend technical team, they will get back to you and they will help you to resolve the issue. So this is how you can monitor input not supported issue. So I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.